Welcome to Sneedle Props and our new lifter. As you can see here, the lifter's in the middle there and it's got a steel sat there ready to go up. This is the top of our cradle that we created, and as you can see, that's the cradle there that takes a block and tackle which we supply with all the scaffold tubes and bracing, and then this allows you to lift the steel up above where the lower arms are going to go for the Sneedle Props. As you can see, the Sneedle Props are all being fitted, and the bracing is now attached, which is when the props are all leveled up. You use the bracing to secure everything level and upright. Then you put these plates on, which we call the load plates. There's 2 of these for each prop. They're part of the Sneedle prop, but they're separate just due to the fact that the weight, to keep, for health and safety, to keep the weights down, they're separate. And once everything's all in place and secured, the steel's lowered onto our rollers here. This allows you to move the steel from left to right, so you can centralise it before you put in the lifter. So the cradle's all removed now, and now you put these temporary supports in, which will hold on this RSJ, which you'll see. The RSJ is there to support the load platform, which is coming in there. That's one side, it's in 2 pieces. There's 4 locators there, as you can see, the big bolts. They go into the locating lugs there. There's 4 of those, they get pushed in onto the RSJ and then it's all bolted together. Once they're all bolted together, as you can see, there's a temporary support at the back and this one at the front coming out. And as I say, they're only temporary, they're not load bearing, they're just to hold everything in place to bolt it together. Now it's important to level everything, so you level the platform from front to back and side to side, and you do that by winding in and out the big bolts. As you can see, there's plenty of room in there for the lifter to go in. And here, now everything's level, you bolt the acro props on. And these are secured using obviously impact driver or spanners. But it's important not to over tighten these acros. So once these acros are all in place, just to nip them till they literally touch the bottom of the platform, because you're not trying to move the platform, you've leveled it, you just want to support it all when the lifter's on. And you've got about 100mm of clearance there, which is plenty of room to slide the lifter in, and there's bridges there front and back that stop the lifter from going backwards and forwards. And this is us lifting the lifter in. It's a 2-man lift. As you can see, there's room under there, and you went over the lip there that stops you from the lifter from going anywhere that it shouldn't go. And also note to spot there that the bracing, we make sure that that's always finishes flush with the props in the centre there, so it don't get in the way of the lifter. Right, you level up your beam central to the lifter. We did it with tape on there. Then you use a cordless drill, not an impact driver. It's really important because you could either break the machine, the lifter, or damage something. We recommend using the drill on 1 speed, not 2 like I just did there, because you tend to hit your knuckles on things. And just nice and steady, you can lift the beam up or drop it down. And as this is only a demonstration, we only go up a little of the way just to show, so it's lifting it up. And then when you've got it as the height that you need it to be, it's a 2-man push with the lifter, and you just push the lifter nice and gently with the steel, and you push that in to locate your new steel either above your goalposts or your pad stones that you've put in. And obviously attach your cordless drill again and lower your steel down onto whatever it is that it's being sat on. And then you pull that out of the way, and then it's a complete reverse to dismantle everything. And carry on with your extension or patio doors that you're fitting. This shows the 600 kilo steel that was sat on the rollers, and this is on site. This is a job by the looks of it, 2 steels bolted back to back, a couple of channels, and that's showing the lifter lifting the steel and pushing it in flush with the joists. And this last little clip is just demonstrating a little bit speeded up of how the lifter just with a drill lifts it up. So thanks for watching. Please do look at our website, sneedleprops.com. All our information, contacts and details and everything are all on there. And give us a like. Thanks.